Alright, in this video it's a little bit different than everything else, but I thought it was very helpful. If you have the Knit Quick knitting machine by Loops and Threads like we did, which normally costs around $85 at Michael's, we ended up finding one of these for less than $10. I want to say it was probably $5 to $8 in the Goodwill. The only problem is when we got home and opened the box, it was missing a leg. As far as other items that normally come with this when you pay for the $85, I went online, tried my best to find replacements for the legs, as Stephanie always wanted one of these machines. So I was determined to find her a replacement, or if not, worst case scenario, probably 3D print one. But hopefully, if you guys have this machine or one like this, as you guys can tell, the legs are a different color. I was able to find a replacement. Found the replacement at the Walmart website. I will put the link below, but I took a chance to see if it works, and now since it paid off, I figured you guys might want to know that it does work. So if you got this machine, I will put the link of this machine that way in case you guys want to check the model number just to make sure. I only paid $15 for the replacement. It brung this piece right here, the tension holder, which was also missing. Brung 4 legs, so we ended up taking the black one off, so now it's like a black pink type look to it. It also came with suction cups, because the bottom, if you can tell, it has areas for the suction cup. That way you're able to put it. The original legs did not. The original legs had like a material underneath. This will be able to be suction cupped. Also came with a crochet hook, a small little plastic one, a large needle, and a smaller needle. Alright, and it also came with a Phillips screwdriver. All in all, with the suction cup, and it even came with a, almost missed this one, came with an even smaller needle. So it came with 3 different size needles, small, medium, and large. Came with the Phillips screwdriver. Also came with a small 3.75 millimeter crochet hook. All for $15. Best thing is that we saved from paying $85 for it brand new, which I was afraid we were going to have to buy a new one. But if you have a new one and something happened to it, one of the legs broke or something like that, it's not the end of the world. They do sell replacements. Hopefully this helped you guys out. That's what it is. Let us know in the comments below if it helped anybody out. As always, consider subscribing. And till next time, remember, let's customize the world. Alright, later.